Hello, my beautiful snowflakes. Oh my God, not what I wanted to say. Hello, my beautiful rosebuds, and welcome to my channel. My name is Mila, and welcome to Fun Friday, where we talk about makeup mostly, like skincare, you know, beauty-related stuff. We also have whatever Wednesdays, which I seem to really enjoy giving things names. I don't know why. So we have whatever Wednesdays where I talk about basically whatever we want, you know? So, and of course, don't forget Makers and Makeup Monday. So Makers and Makeup Monday are going to happen twice a month. So every other Monday. And I was doing it every Monday for a while, and it was just too much because it requires a lot of research. And I felt that I was not really doing my best as far as getting all the information to you. I had to make it twice a month, so I hope that is okay. And yeah, so today we're going to continue our conversation about skincare. I told you about all my favorite creams last time, and I just wanted to say that my skin it's kind of oily on the outside and dry on the inside. I don't know what to tell you about that. It's kind of like an M&M, you know? I get oily around my T-zone, around my nose, but then my skin still feels really dehydrated. So when I have to stop saying so when I wash my face, it gets all tight, and then throughout the day I definitely don't have to blot oil off, but I do get oily in around the T-zone. Anyway, so we spoke about that. If you want to see my favorite creams, which I found to be light, now I personally enjoy light creams that absorb very quickly, that give me hydration without having that weird film on your skin, and they do that pretty much throughout the day. So I put them on my moisturizers, my serums. I always put them on right after I wash my face, and I make sure that my face is wet. So if I have my serums in the bathroom with me, I am going to put them on right away. Do not let your face dry out. It's gonna feel like the desert. So if you don't have your moisturizers in the bathroom where you wash your face, I suggest you have a refreshing spray, so to speak, that you can spray wherever you do your morning or afternoon routine, evening, and that definitely helps with the absorption. So anyway, today, what are we going to talk about today? That's a good question. Today we're going to talk about my favorite oils. I was going to divide it into 3 separate videos, but I realized I don't have enough oils to do a whole video on, so I'm going to just put them together. My favorite serums and my favorite oils, and why I love them, and the 3 companies that I enjoy using. And today I'm also going to kind of weasel in a cream that is not a serum necessarily, but it has a very oh my gosh, what's the word? I'm brain dead today. It's been a challenging couple of months, girls and boys, so my brain has been fried. I'm trying to kind of get back into the swing of things, but it's taken a while. Definitely making videos helps, but the scruples in there are still necessarily not properly spitting. So yeah, I wanted to talk about this moisturizer. It's not a cream per se, and it is incredible. I think I mentioned it last time. I'm going to mention it again. So let us begin with serums. Serums I put on first, right after I wash my face. I enjoy vitamin C serum, of course, don't we all? And the 2 of my favorite companies are Tree of Life, which looks like this, and I do get this on Amazon. Originally, that's where I found them. But then I kind of decided I want to go straight to the source, so I order these straight from Tree of Life. And the other company that I do the same thing with also found on Amazon, and then decided that I'm just going to go directly is Art Naturals. And it looks like this. Are we going to focus today? Yes, we are. Here we go. Perfect. So from the Tree of Life, they offer a variety of serums, but my favorite from them is a vitamin C serum. And it is supposed to be moisturizing. It's supposed to address the fine lines on your face, and generally just make your face brighter and fresh feeling. So that is one that I love and use. And I also have vitamin C brightening formula from both of these companies. I'm kind of playing around with whichever one I like better, but right now I like them both, so I'm using them both. Whichever one finishes first, I'll reorder. From the same company, Art Naturals, I also like their retinol restoring formula. So it looks like this. I like that it comes in like these little glass bottles. They're recyclable, which makes me happy. And the prices are really good. I'll link those down in the description box. And I enjoy using it. So retinol is important. You have to know how to use it. So make sure you do your research. It comes with a little dropper and you basically just follow directions and use it. The other thing that I really enjoy, again, same company, Art Naturals, is the hyaluronic acid. Again, I love this thing. I've had it also from the Tree of Life. Both of them I enjoy. I feel like this one smells really good too. Like they have a really yummy smell. It's very, very faint. I generally don't like or enjoy using products that have a lot of fragrance, but this is a very, very light, I love it, citrusy kind of smell. So hyaluronic acid is really, really good for kind of giving that moisture boost to your skin. I notice a huge difference around it when I use it around my eyes. My eyes, I don't generally put powder or even concealer around my eyes because I just find them they get like really crepey looking, and I don't really have dark circles, so I don't use concealer around my eyes. I have bags, but you know, can't conceal those suckers. I mean, you could, but then you look like, you know, cakey. Anyway, so I put that around my eyes. I put that on my face. I love it. It's awesome. Oils, I only use 2 oils. I've discovered this particular oil. This is called Wonder. It's a black rice facial oil, and it is from a company called Helllloooo. And I actually heard about this company from another beauty YouTuber that I watch. I will link, I can't remember her name right now. I'm terrible with names. Please forgive me. But I'm going to link her channel below. She's promoting this product, and I looked at the reviews and they're really, really good. So I said, you know what? Let me give it a try. It's very light. Again, it comes with a dropper. It has a nice smell. It's a little stronger than the other serums. It definitely has a smell to it. So if you're sensitive to that, I would recommend you probably find something else. And what I do with my oils is I always, after I wash my face, I will put a warm cloth on my face, like a warm hand towel. Again, words escape me today. And I make sure that my face is nice and opened up, like my pores are open, and then I put a light layer of the oil, and I make sure that it's absorbed. So like whenever you put your serums and your moisturizers and your oils, don't pile them on one on top of each other. You have to give it unless like that's a thing that you're actually doing. You think you want to mix a couple of products together at the same time, that's fine. But I found that if I put each product separately, make sure that it absorbs and dries, because you really get to feel how the product works for your skin. And then you apply the next one on top of that, and it really, like, each thing kind of does its own job. And also it doesn't pill. I find that if I just pile a lot of products on and I would put my makeup on afterwards, like sometimes it would pill, and I hate that. So these products, for me, I have no pilling with them. And the moisturizers that I mentioned earlier. So I also enjoy using Rosehip Nourishing Oil. So my friend Eve actually kind of told me about Rosehip Oil, and I purchased it from Mario Badescu. I discovered this company is new. I purchased a couple of things from him. They're in New York City. I saw them when I was I went to like Saks off Fifth to return something I bought online, and I saw them, you know, they have like buy me aisle. When you're going through the checkout, they put like all of the little cool things right there, just in case you want to pick up a few. Like, do I need a candle? Do I want another cup? Oh my gosh, can I live without this sponge? So like that was there, and I'm like, that's interesting. So I went home and I did a little bit of research on the company, and they seem to be all right. I mean, there's been some controversy about certain things, but I decided I was going to try it, mostly because I wanted to try a new deodorant, and I have to stop spinning because the light changes, sorry. And I ordered a few things. I'm going to review them for you guys because I actually found a few of them really, really good. They work really well for my skin. They're not terribly expensive. And yeah, so this is one of those products. So this Rosehip oil is awesome, and the rice oil. So those 2 oils I really love, and all of those serums. Now, I want to just add, if I didn't mention it last time, which I think I did, but I'm going to mention it again. So Snail moisturizer. It is very, kind of has like a very runny consistency. That's kind of gross. And it absorbs into your skin immediately. It makes your skin super, super duper moisturized. I love this thing and I recommend you trying it. It's by Peach Slices. I'm going to link the this cream down as well. And then from the same website, I think it was Beautylish, if I remember correctly, I found this. It's a vegan formula. It's Comforting Calendula Juicy Cream by Aromatica. And again, this is a little heavier, but I just wanted to make sure that I mentioned it. It's a little heavier. It's gel-like, it just as the Snail Rescue Cream. It's kind of gel-like, but it is also awesome. It has a little bit more slippage, so, but you know, it also absorbs into your skin really well, for me anyway, and it works nicely, doesn't pill, combines well with these other serums. So these are my favorite serums slash oils slash creams. And I really enjoy them. So I hope you like them. I will link them below. This is not sponsored by any means. And this is just me sharing what I really enjoy. And let me know if you have any of these guys and if you use them, or if you have your own favorite serums and like I know Snail Cream is like super duper popular right now, but oh my God, I have to stop spinning. But anyway, I also wanted to share with you guys, it was my birthday on May 8th and I've gotten myself a couple of presents. So I've gotten this really cute letter M. I don't know if you can see it. It's adorable, for Mila. And then from my friend, so my friend Alina, or SKYLERMAN, that's her business, is a jewelry designer. And I absolutely love all of her pieces. If I could buy everything, I would. But unfortunately, I have to buy them a little bit at a time. So I bought a couple of years ago this earring right here. It's like if you have a double hole, you have a chain, and then you can wear it in different ways. And of course I'm showing you my screwed up ear because it doesn't have a lobe over here, so I just put a lot of earrings in that one. And you can see it, it's really cute. It has an emerald on one side and a black opal on the other side. And then for my birthday I have gotten these pin earrings. They're gold, and I don't know if you can see the little diamonds. There's little diamonds going across the front, and it has a little star, and inside the star there's also a tiny little diamond, which is super cute. So I got a pair of these, and I will link her Etsy shop below. I think she's working on her website right now, but I will definitely link her Etsy shop. She gave me an incredible price on these. I'm super happy with them. They're good size. So the reason I was going to Saks Off 5th is I was returning other safety pin earrings that I got because I just really wanted to have those for my birthday. And when they arrived, they were like, I needed a loop to see them basically. And I paid, and they weren't cheap. And I was like, dude, this is not cool. So I contacted my friend and she's like, yeah, I can, you know, I have these and they're perfect. So twice the size of the ones from Saks Off 5th, at least, if not more. And they, nice weight too. Anyway, just wanted to shout it out. And I also keep forgetting to shout out my friend whose music I use for my intro. Her name is Ivy. She is a beautiful person. She has been a support for me amongst many of my other friends because she has also gone through breast cancer, and she is always there for me when I freak out among, you know, my friends Natalia and Eve, and anyway, you know who you are. She is a songwriter and she wrote beautiful songs, and I asked her if I can use some of the music for my intro for my videos because I just wanted to have something unique, you know, and I didn't really like all of the other sort of songs that were in the free YouTube music library. I was like, So she said yes, and it's beautiful. So I hope you enjoy it. I'll link the link to her music on YouTube. She doesn't have a lot of songs on there yet, but I'm sure they're coming. So yeah, just wanted to shout out my friends because they're awesome and they're my family. And that's it. I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you are having a good start to the spring. I know it's probably like middle of spring by now, right? May, yeah. Anyway, see you later, my little rosebuds. Adios. Bye. До свидания.